Now here's the hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected, elevated thunderstorm risk, with an associate, elevated tornado risk, limited hail risk, up to penny size, limited damaging wind risk. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, until 8 p.m. at 6:15 p.m. A strong thunderstorm for waterspouts were located near Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Burns Harbor, Indiana, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated impact. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly heavier lines and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Northerly Harbor, Gary Harbor, Michigan City Harbor, and Burns Harbor. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is NOAA Weather and EAS encoder radio, station WXM 785, on a frequency in 162.400 MHz, as well as FM 88.7 MHz. For transmitting serving Porter Township or locating in Valparaiso and Hebron. The current time is AM, 4 p.m., Central Daylight Time. Now here's the hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected, elevated thunderstorm risk, with an associate, elevated tornado risk, limited hail risk, up to penny size, limited damaging wind risk, up to 70 miles per hour. Discussion. A severe storm system will bring into potential severe thunderstorm and a tornado across of the U.S. Interstate 80 in Indiana I-65 and 94. A tornado could be rolled out for April 29th. Another line of strong thunderstorms into severe thunderstorms will bring for large hail and damage.
Alright, so that's our special marine warning for me.